You know, the famous technocrats like Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg have built their empire from simple concepts. It's a technology that they have incorporated with their concepts that drives them to their huge success. You have a concept and you are desperately want to make it right? Icubo Designs is the perfect technical partner for you. Icubo Designs, one of the prominent research and development firm for past 6 years. We have developed more than 40 products in electrical, electronics and mechanical section. So how we make your idea into reality? Our marketing engineers will absorb your ideas and create basic logic, design, algorithms for your product. Then the designing team will create the 3D drawings as well as drafting for the product development. After that, the hardware and PCB team will make the essential hardware of the product. And then our programmers write and test the programs required for the product function. Following, the assembly team integrates all part of the product and mold it to its final version. The completed product will be finally verified and tested by the quality control team. And thus, your concept is evolved to a final product and handed out to you. And our services also include IoT services and control board automation. Hope you got a clear clarity of the works that we are doing here. In order to make Icubo your technical partner, please do contact us or visit our website.